everyone, my name is Desola. I'm a fashion designer and you are welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Daisy's Wardrobe. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're an existing subscriber, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. And if you've seen my videos before and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and put on the notification bell so that you can know when I put up a new video. I'm an African inspired ready-to-wear fashion designer based here in Lagos, Nigeria, and I've been in business for 10 years. So here on my channel, I talk about fashion business, being a fashion designer, running a business, all things fashion, all things business, and sometimes I talk about my life. So welcome again to my store. This is Daisy's Wardrobe. Like I said, I'm an African inspired ready-to-wear fashion designer. I make and I sell clothes that I make at my store where I am today. So today I'll be talking to you how to start a successful fashion business in Nigeria. So why do I say successful fashion businesses? I'm sure you or someone may know or may not even know someone who has started a fashion business and along the line they've closed or stopped doing the business due to one thing or the other. Running a fashion business in Nigeria is not a walk in the park, neither is it the easiest thing to do. And so here in my video, I'm going to walk you through how to start a successful fashion business in Nigeria. So first things first, there are different types of fashion businesses. It could be tailoring, it could be selling a clothing line, a ready-to-wear clothing line, it could be doing makeup, it could be anything literally, it could be selling shoes, it could be anything, literally anything that has to do with fashion. And so when you want to start a fashion business in Nigeria, you need to first of all figure out what exactly it is that you want to do, what kind of fashion business it is that you want to start, what kind of product, what kind of service are you offering to your customers. And when you know that, then you can start to say you want to start a fashion business. Now, when you know what kind of fashion business you want to start, the next thing to do is come up with a name. And obviously you would want to say, you want to choose a name that, resonates with you, sentimental to you, or whatever that may be. But the thing is, you need to remember the world is changing. Nobody wants a very, very long name they cannot remember. Nobody wants a name that is going to twist their tongue. People want to get straight to the point. People's attention spans these days is not as fantastic. Everybody wants everything quick, sharp. So you have to come up with a name that fits your business, that is very memorable for your customers and straight to the point. The name of your business does not necessarily have to define what it is that you are doing. It could be a generic kind of name, whereby along the line, if you choose to change businesses or you choose to add other things into your business, that name will be okay to accommodate whatever changes you want to make in your business. The next thing to do is put your business on social media. These days, social media is literally everything. There are so many brands on social media, there are so many businesses on social media that don't even have a physical space, or they are online. And nowadays, when people are looking for one thing or the other, the first place they go to is Instagram. So are you enjoying my video? Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe and put on the notification bell so that you know when I put up a new video. It goes a long way in helping my channel. So when you're opening a page for your business, you have to also make sure that nobody else has that name as their business name. So if you're very lucky, you may find this step very, very straightforward. And as you're doing that, you will also want to be registering that name alongside creating a business page for your business on social media as well. Because you don't want to register or create a business name online and then when you go to the CAC to register the business, they tell you that the name is not available. So you need to do these two side by side. So whether to register your business as a limited liability or a business name, that is definitely up to you. But you need to make sure that your lawyer explains to you the pros and the cons of a limited liability and a business name. When you have successfully registered your business and you have created a business page for your business online, you also have to think of what is your point of transaction? Where are you going to transact this business? Where are you going to offer your products and your services to your customers? Is it going to be a physical space? Is it going to be online? If it is going to be a physical space, you need to start thinking about where this place is going to be. What is going to cost you to open up a space for your business? You need to start looking through what it's going to entail in terms of, for example, if you're opening up a physical space, what the rent would be like in that particular vicinity, what it entails. For example, in Lagos, when you are renting a space, they will tell you that you have to pay some certain extra fees besides the rent, which includes service charge, and the service charge includes electricity, security, cleaning, and all those other things that I can't really remember from the top of my head right now. And if you're setting up a business online, you need to find out what you need to have your business online. And obviously the first thing is, apart from having a social media page, is a website. You need to find out what it entails to build a website and have it up and running for your kind of fashion business. So it involves all the costs involved. When you have figured out where you want to start your fashion business, whether it's online or in a brick and mortar, which is a physical space, you want to also think about who is your target market for this business that you want to start. So who is your target market? Is it for girls? Is it for women? Is it for boys? Is it for men? Is it unisex? That is for both men and women. Is it for teenagers? Is it for women of a certain age? Is it for girls of a certain age? Is it for men of a certain age? Is it whatever it may be? What is their age? Where are they located? What is their spending power? How can you attract these customers? When you're able to figure out this, it makes your marketing a lot easier. And how to market your business or your fashion business is another video entirely. When you have figured out what your target market is, you now have to start thinking of, when do I want to start this business? Because you have to have a start date in mind. Because if you don't have a start date, you will never start. And if you keep on waiting for the perfect time and the right time to start your business, you will wait forever. Because there'll never be a perfect time. There will never be a perfect time. The time is when you have figured out when you want to start your fashion business. You need to start thinking that with all these things that I have come up with all these things that I have thought about, how do I finance it? How do I come up with the money to start this business? So there are different ways. Are you enjoying my video? Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe and put on the notification bell so that you know when I put up a new video. It goes a long way in helping my channel. For a lot of people, or for some people, they start their businesses with their savings. Some people may have saved up some money to start a business. And whether that money is enough or not, I don't know. But yes, some people, or a lot of people, start with their savings. On this side of the world, going to apply for a loan or trying to get a loan from somewhere to start a business is not something that is very prevalent in our society here. So you find a lot of people starting their businesses with their savings, or they go to family members or relatives to assist them in whatever way or the other. And you also find some people who currently work. They are doing a job and they are using their earnings from that job to start a business. Some also go to relatives, family, and try and work out some finance things like loans and repayments and all those kind of things. So these are some ways that people finance their businesses here in Nigeria. When you have sorted out the financing of this business that you want to start, you also need to think about the kind of people and the number of people that you would hire to assist you in this business. For a lot of small businesses who are starting up, you find out that the owner of the business is everything to the business. They are the ones running the business and doing everything for the business. But it comes to a point in time where you can't do everything for your business. You can't be everything because the business will never grow. You need one or two people or some people to assist you to build this business. And you need to figure out how many people your business can afford to take on at the early stages of starting your business. Knowing the right kind of people to hire or employ to work in your business is very, very important. The people that you hire to work in your business can make or break your business, especially a business that is just starting. And also, I always advise people to start their fashion businesses small. It is very, very advisable to start small. If you have the capital to start in a very, very big way, that is fine, that is good. But I always advise people to start small. Reason being that when you start small, you're able to understand the business, you're able to understand the market, and you're able to understand so many other things about the business that you would have never known if you started in a very big way. So you start small and start moving to a very big business. And the last thing is, you also have to be knowledgeable about the fashion business that you are starting. You have to have good knowledge about this business. You don't necessarily have to know everything, but you have to have some substantial amount of knowledge. And if you don't have any knowledge whatsoever, it is also advisable to look for people who are already in that line of fashion business that you can speak to, who can also mentor you. And if you don't have any of that, you can come on my channel and watch so many videos about starting a fashion business, running a fashion business, or even running a business on its own. So my video for today is done. If you enjoyed watching my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe and put on the notification bell so that you know when I put up a new video. And so I will see you soon. Bye!